The most popular apps on the entire planet are about to turn billions of ordinary people into prediction market traders. Mark Zuckerberg has reportedly told a team inside Meta to build a brand new standalone prediction markets app, codenamed Arena. Prediction markets let people bet real money on the outcome of real-world events, everything from elections and sports results to inflation numbers and interest rate decisions. Until now, the space has been led by crypto-native platforms like Polymarket and the regulated startup Kalshi, which have grown fast but stayed relatively niche. Meta would walk in with something neither of them has anywhere close to: 3.56 billion daily users spread across Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. That kind of built-in scale could completely reshape an industry that regulators around the world are still actively fighting over. Nothing has actually launched yet, and Meta has not officially confirmed the plans. But the mere signal that the world's biggest social network is circling puts every existing player on notice. $500 million from a foreign government just landed right in the middle of a bitter Washington power struggle. 5 Senate Democrats, led by Elizabeth Warren, are now demanding formal hearings and sworn testimony over a reported $500 million investment from the United Arab Emirates. The money went into World Liberty Financial, the crypto venture closely tied to the Trump family. The senators say they want to know whether that enormous investment quietly shaped United States policy toward the Gulf state. The Trump side has not been accused of any crime, and the venture has publicly and repeatedly defended the deal as a private, perfectly ordinary commercial matter. But the demand sets up a high-stakes fight over exactly where a sitting president's personal crypto business ends and the duties of public office begin. It is shaping up to be one of the sharpest tests yet of how Washington handles crypto money flowing in from overseas investors and foreign states. While almost everyone in the market is bracing for the next leg down, the Bitcoin network just quietly hit a level it had not seen in 2 full years. Daily transactions blasted past 820,000, making it the busiest the network has been since back in 2024. The surge is being driven by a revival in runes, a way of creating and trading tokens directly on top of the Bitcoin blockchain. It is a striking contrast to the price itself, which is still sitting roughly 50% below its October peak. Fear across the market is near record highs, with sentiment stuck deep in extreme fear, and yet on-chain activity is telling almost the opposite story. More transactions means more fees flowing to the miners who secure the network, and a busier, arguably healthier chain. Sometimes the loudest signal is not the price flashing on the screen, but what people are actually doing on the chain itself. Subscribe now.